Hello! Welcome back to the Remote Sensing Cookbook. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the installation and download guide for PolSARPro. For your information, before downloading PolSARPro, users must have the following programs installed: TCL, Tool Command Language, GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, ImageMagick, Snap, Google Earth, and Adobe. Additionally, it's important to note that PolSARPro is available for download for both Windows and Linux, but is not available for Mac users. Once you know that these programs are installed, let's use our Internet Explorer application and navigate to the Step ESA main page. The link for this is provided in the description below. Once you get to the ESA page, you will see something like this website. We're going to scroll and select the download feature and click on that. A new web page will populate with two application options. Let's click the one for PolSARPro. The page will provide documentation and a URL within the first paragraph. Let's select the first URL link. The URL link will redirect you to a new web page. Here, you can download the PolSARPro, sample datasets, and you can review the documentation by selecting the Read Me First document. Since we're looking to download PolSARPro on Windows, we will go ahead and select Download Windows 64-bit version. Once this is selected, it will start the download of PolSARPro onto your machine. Once the download is complete, navigate to the downloaded location of the folder and open the folder by double-clicking. Within the folder, select PolSARPro V604 Biomass Edition, which will initiate the installation of the program. A number of pop-ups will appear, which will require you to select the primary language that the program will display information in, licensing agreements, and whether a desktop icon can be created. Read through the pop-ups and select the appropriate options for you and your system. Once this is completed, a loading screen will appear, which will copy the files over based on the options you selected. Once this is complete, a new pop-up appears stating that the setup is complete. Select Finish and OK. Once this is all selected, close the current display window on your screen. After closing the window, navigate to where you chose to download PolSARPro. For us, this is the desktop icon. When we click on the icon, we immediately notice that PolSARPro does not open. This is because it needs the TCL link. For this to be completed, navigate to where the Tool Command Language toolkit is downloaded and copy the path. Once the path is copied, go back to the PolSARPro icon, click to open it, scroll down and select Choose an app on your PC. From here, copy and paste the path to the TCL and select TK Graphic Console. Then select Open. A pop-up will appear, for which you will select Wish Application. Once this is completed, an error message will appear. Select OK. Once this is completed, select the PolSARPro icon again, and this will promote a new window to appear, displaying the PolSARPro interface. Here, select the option Enter. Once selecting Enter, the program will begin to start up. A warning pop-up will first appear regarding the widget screen size. Here, select Yes. Upon selecting Yes, the user will have the ability to adjust the size and place of the widgets. Feel free to adjust these to your own preferences, and after you are done making all the adjustments, select Save and Exit. The next error message that will appear is that of the PDF reader. Select OK. This will prompt you to link PDF reader. Select Yes. Similarly to before, let's navigate to our Adobe PDF reader and copy the pathway. Once this is copied, let's go back to PolSARPro prompt and select the folder icon on the right, and let's paste the pathway. Once the pathway is pasted, let's go to the folder and locate the Adobe program. Once it's found, let's select it. Once this is completed, select Save and Exit. Next, the program prompt will require us to link the Google Earth application. Like we've done before, let's navigate to the Google Earth application and copy its pathway. Once the pathway is copied, let's select the folder icon and paste the pathway. Once pasting the pathway, we'll relocate the Google Earth application and select it. Again, here we will have to select Save and Exit. And again, the program will prompt us to link the GIMP Viewer application. We'll navigate to the GIMP Viewer application and copy the pathway. Once the pathway is completed, let's select the folder icon and paste the pathway. Once pasting the pathway, we'll locate the GIMP Viewer application and select it, and again we'll have to select Save and Exit. The next prompt will require us to link the ImageMagick application. We'll navigate to the ImageMagick application and copy the pathway. Once the pathway is completed, let's select the folder icon and paste the pathway. Once pasting the pathway, we'll locate the ImageMagick application and select it, and then select Save and Exit. Now the final prompt will be to link the Snap application. We'll once again navigate to the Snap application and copy the pathway. Once the pathway is complete, let's select the folder icon and paste the pathway. Once you are done pasting the pathway, we'll relocate the Snap application and select it, and for the final time we will select Save and Exit. That is selected, the program will display Ribbon of Features, which is the PolSARPro homepage. Congrats! You should now be able to process your data in PolSARPro. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Stay tuned for other updates and how-tos. Feel free to reach out to us on our website linked below to submit requests and post questions on our forum. Bye-bye!